Okay, so here we are again on our test bench at Plumline, and we have a low level cistern with a front hole where the lever would normally go, and then we have the PRO73UK Fluid Master Pro Series dual flush valve with flapper. Rightio, so we're going to unbox this now. We've got our rod, actuator rod, got a bunch of parts including the front button, and we've got the flapper valve, commonly known as a flapper because it's got a flap. So here we got a button. Now that's got a whole bunch of different, take that cover off, it's got a whole bunch of different sleeves on it so it can fit in any size hole. So we'll take the nut off and check the sleeve size, so that sleeve will come off. No, next size down. Sweet, so that'll fit there like that. Great for commercial applications. So what we're going to do is get the other parts out of the packet, and we're going to put them together. Okay, so here's another view. I'm going to insert it from the front, and then we've got a bracket, a stainless steel bracket. Now the factory manual, or at least the instructions, tell us that it's to go this way because it slips up onto this part here, but it's going to conflict with the lid, so I'm just going to put it this way. It's not too important at this stage, and then this piece obviously goes on here, so we're going to assemble it first. So the way that it works is you've got to put the brass rod in first, and then slip the brass rod through the nylon ham, and then there's a little brass split pin that you can poke either way, but I'm just going to put it through this way, like so. And so that's all set up. Now we've got to make sure this is the correct way. It's not, so it needs to turn around. So we place our little bit of a fiddle, place our stainless steel part first, then put that mechanism over the top. Then we've got our nut, goes on after that. So I'm going to do it hand tight just for the sake of the exercise. So it's a very, very simple system. Okay, so now that's installed. Here's the valve. So we take the nut off the valve, put your closed cell foam washer for sealing. And we'll put it that way so the overflow is to the left. Now for the sake of the exercise, I'm just going to do this up hand tight, like so. And then this particular system is that, so that's resting and that's full open, so we're just going to go like that. Okay, so it doesn't need much, so we're just going to have to adjust it. So you just adjust this little part here. Might be a little bit of a trial and error, I guess, about this linkage here. So let's put it in and hook that up, so it goes through there like so. And you can cut that other piece off, we'll leave it there as a spare if someone decides to be really brutal with it and breaks it. So let's try that. So you push the button, up it comes, easy as that. And so once that's up, it actually starts floating, so that'll float. It could probably actually be adjusted so that it's a little bit more, so it's got a little bit less slack. But like I say, for the sake of the exercise, we're just going to show you how this is set up. So press the button, up it comes. So that's going to be a solution for the commercial applications. As you can see, there's a maximum and minimum on the flapper, and either way you adjust those is how much flush you get. So that can be a little trial and error, but it actually does adjust the flush. Hope this helps.